Dear students, in this session in reasoning we will discuss one more topic. Topic name is odd men out. దాన్నే భిన్న పరీక్ష అంటాం తెలుగులో. Okay, so nothing new in this. In previous sessions already we have seen analogy part. If you remember, in previous sessions we already seen analogy part. Okay, so analogy, odd men out, these two are the topics which comes under number series, letter series part only. Okay, so same the concepts what we used in number series and the concepts what we used in letter series are also useful in analogy part as well as this odd man out point of view also. Okay, so before going to take different types of questions, first of all we need to discuss how many types of odd man out is there. Okay, there are mainly three types of odd man out. Okay, there are mainly three types of odd man out. So first one is it is about number odd man out, and second one is about letter odd man out. First one is number odd man out, third one is letter odd man out, second one is letter odd man out, and third one is word odd man out. Same thing we have seen analogy, letter analogy, number analogy, word analogy, like that. Okay, same in odd man out also, number odd man out, letter odd man out, and finally word odd man out. Okay, there are three different types of odd man out. The name itself is saying odd man out, భిన్న పరీక్ష అన్నాం. ఏం చేస్తాం? సో there is no direct question. So question itself he will give four options. Question itself he will give four options. నాలుగు ఆప్షన్లు ఇస్తాడు. సో ఆ నాలుగు ఆప్షన్స్లో త్రీ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ సర్టెన్ వాట్ యూ కెన్ సే కండిషన్స్, ఆర్ త్రీ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ సర్టెన్ ప్యాటర్న్, and one number is or one letter is or one word is different from this pattern. Okay, you need to identify the what we can say pattern involved in that, and you need to identify the number or the letter or word which is not belong to that pattern. Okay, that is said to be odd man out. For example, if you take number odd man out, for example I am taking one question like this. So let's say he given 25 comma 36 comma 125 comma and fifth one is he given 81. What does it mean? So he question itself he given four options. Question itself he given four options: 25, 36, 125, 85. So which one is odd man out here? The odd one is we can say 125. Why? Because here 25 means 5 square, 36 means 6 square, 81 means 9 square. So remaining three are squares, but whereas third one is it is not a perfect square, it is simply 5 cube. That's why remaining three are having certain pattern, whereas third one is not belong to that. That's why the answer in this case is what we can say, second option, this is what we can say third option, and this is we can say fourth option. Hence the answer in this question is what we can say third option we can say. Dintlo again the concepts what we used in number series, if you have an idea, even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, squares, cubes, squares minus 1 something, cubes minus 1 something, or n square plus n square plus or minus n, or n cube plus or minus n square, and so on. Alternate concept, sum of the digits concept, product of the numbers concept, the concepts what we discussed in number series in previous sessions, all the things, all the concepts we are going to use for number odd man out also. Similarly same concepts for letter odd man out, and finally for even word odd man out also. Okay, so now let us start by taking different types of questions on number, letter and word odd man outs. Okay, let us start the questions. Now let us start by taking first type of odd man out, that is number odd man out. In that we will take some questions. See the question itself he will give options. Let's say first option he given, first question is 44 comma, and second option is he given 35 comma, third option given 70 comma, fourth option given 37. That is the first question about odd man out. Now we will see second question. Second question is 81. First option is 81, second option is 49, third option is 120, and fourth option is we can say 121. Fourth option is 121. And third question is first option is 1000, second option is 343, third option is 400, whereas fourth option is 512. Fourth option is 512. And next question, we'll take next question. So this next question is first option 150, second option 216, third option 180, fourth option 300. Fourth option 300. Okay. Now we can take one more question. Okay. The next question is first option 214, second option 120, third option 336, right? Next fourth option is 30. Sorry, it's not 30, it's 60. Fourth option is 60. Now we'll discuss all these types one by one. See, there are 5 questions. If you'll observe, all these 5 questions, he given 4 options. Out of 4 options, 3 will be in a certain way and 1 is not what I can say belong to that particular pattern. Okay, we need to identify that pattern. See, let us see first question. 44, okay, 35, 70, and fourth one what is given? 37 is given. See, one thing is clear here, 44 is even number. 44, it is not, of course it is even, but the concept is 44, 35 and 70. These 3 numbers are simply, we can say, composite numbers because they are having different factors. 44 is composite number, or simply in other words, 44 is not a prime, 35 is not a prime, 70 is not a prime. What about 37? 37 is the prime. Hence, the answer for this question is equals to what we can say? Fourth answer we can say. What is the concept involved in this here? So here the concept is it is the prime, whereas remaining are not a primes. 37 is prime, remaining are not a primes. That is the logic involved in that first question. I hope you understood that. That's why you need to have a prime numbers at least up to 100. From 1 to 100 natural numbers, you are having 25 prime numbers. Okay, if you list out all these from 1 to 50, we are having 15 prime numbers. From 51 to 100, we are having 10 prime numbers. Hence, from 1 to 100, total we are having 25 prime numbers. 15 prime numbers plus 10 prime numbers. 25 prime numbers we are having. To remember that prime numbers, there is a code also. DD, BBC, BBC, BA. There is a code also. D means 4, B means 2, again B means 2, C means 3, and so on. DD, BBC, 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 BA. That is the code is also available for that prime numbers. Okay. So let what you can say 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 49, 51, 53, 57, or not 57, 61, 67, so 60, all these are the prime numbers up to 97. 97 is also only prime number from 90 to 100. These are the different prime numbers are available. Just list out all prime numbers, you will get the idea. Okay. So first option is what? 37, because it is the prime, remaining are not a primes. Now second question, it is very easy. This is simply 81 means 9 square, 49 means 7 square, 121 means 11 square. So what does it mean? These 3 are perfect squares, but whereas 120 is it is not a perfect square. That's why third one is the answer. What is the concept here? It is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. That is the concept involved in that. That is not a perfect square. I hope you understood. Okay. So that is the answer for second question. Second question answer is what we can say? Third. What is the logic involved in that? It is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. So now similarly observe third question. Third question, 1000. It is about cubes. By observing numbers we can say, right? So it is the value of 10 cube. It is the value of 7 cube. It is the value of 8 cube. It is 20 square, but it is not a cube of something. So remaining 3 options are cubes, whereas third option is square. That's why the answer for this question is equals to what we can say? Third option we can say. I hope you understood. Remaining 3 are cubes, whereas third option is only perfect square, it is not a cube. Hence that is the answer. Now observe this fourth question, 150. So here you can write, if you want to write, you can write not a cube, you can write not a cube in general. What is the logic in that? Not a cube also you can write. See here, fourth question, 150, 216, 180, 300. So what is the difference between all these? The difference between all these is, can I say 300 is divisible by 6? Yes, 6 ones are 6 50s are. 300 is divisible by 6. What about 180? 180 is it divisible by 6? Yes, 6 ones are 6 30s are. Then 216. 216 is it divisible by 6? Yes, 6 into 36. But what about 150? 150 is it divisible by 6? No, 150 is not divisible by 6. 150 is not divisible by 6. Hence, the answer for this fourth question is equals to what we can say? First option we can say. The answer for this is equal to first option. The logic is not divisible by 6. Not divisible by 6. I hope you understood the concept. Not divisible by 6. That is also one kind of model. There are different models we are taking. Prime numbers model, composite numbers model, square, perfect, not a square, not a cube concept, square concept, okay, divisibility concept. We are discussing different concepts in that. Now see, observe here this question, 214, 120, 336, 60. What is the logic involved in this here? If you will observe here, 120 means 120 can be, what we can write? It is 11 square minus 1 you can write. 121 minus 1, 121 minus 1, 120. What about 336? 336, is it a square of something? No. What about 60? 60 can be written as 6 square 36, 7 square 8 square. 8 square means 60. Are you getting? No. So what is the concept involved in this here? 214. What about 214? 15 square. 15 square means 225, right? 15 square means 225. But how much he given? 214 only given. To get 225, what we will do? Simply we need to subtract 11, right? You need to add 11. You need to add 11, or else 15 square minus 11. Whereas in this case 120, no, 336. 336 also. Are we getting? No. 160. 160 means what you can write? There is no concept of squares here, because no number is near to square except this 120. 120 can be written as 11 square minus 1. 11 square minus 1. No other number is near to square. 214. No. 120 means 11 square minus 1. There is no concept of squares here. Just observe the is there any concept of cubes? For example, 120 is there. 120 means what you can write here? 120 can be written as 5 cube minus 1. 5 cube means 125. 125 minus 5 means 120. Okay. Similarly, for example, 7 cube is there. 7 cube means what? 343. 343 minus 7. 343 minus 7. Yes. How much I am getting? 336. 60 is there. 60 means what you can write? So it is very clear. 4 cube minus 4. 4 cube minus 4. 4 cube means 64. 64 minus 4 means 60 I am getting. What about first option? 214. It is near to 216. 216 means 6 cube you can write. But is it 6 cube minus 6? 6 cube means 216. Minus 6 means 210. But is it 210? No. That's why the different number from this here is remaining all are n cube minus n concept. So answer is not a n cube minus n. I am writing the pattern. Not a n cube minus n. That's why the answer for this question is equals to what we can say? First option we can say. like this. First one is about prime, second one square, third one is cube, fourth one is divisibility concept, and fifth one is n cube minus n concept. Okay, there are different what you can say questions you have taken. Now we'll take some other questions. See the next question. Next question as follows, like this. Next one is 121. First option is 121, whereas second option is 345. Second option is 345. Observe third option. Third option is 286, and whereas fourth option is 572. Fourth option is 572. Next question. In the next question, first option is 918. Second option is 512. Third option is 612. Fourth option is 48. Okay, we'll discuss about that. Now third question. Third question is 139. First option is 139. Second option is 705. Third option is 237. And finally, fourth option is 453. 453. Now next question. In this next question, first option is 342. Second option is 402. Third option is 512. Fourth option is 709. Fourth option is 709. Now we can take one more question. Next question is 3125. 3125. And second option is 9309. And third option is 4721. Fourth option is 2850. 2850. So now we will discuss these questions once again. Okay. See the first question. Observe here. 121, 345, 286, 572. It is very clear. Add every two extremes. Add every two extremes. What does it mean? Add end numbers, all end numbers. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, how much I am getting? 2 I am getting. Similarly, add these two also. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to what I am getting? 8 I am getting. Similarly, 5 plus 2 means what I am getting? 7. So what is the concept involved here? The concept involved in this here is when I am adding starting number and ending number, I am getting middle number. But are we getting 3 plus 5 is equals to, are we getting 3 plus 5 is equal to 4? No. That's why the logic involved in this question is adding first number and last number, getting middle number. So that is not possible in second option. That's why second one is the answer. Similarly, observe first option in next question. 918. Think that 9 is one number and 18 is one number. 9 is one number, 18 is one number. Double of 9 is how much? 18. I'm doing double. Double of 9 is 18. Similarly, double of this 6 is 12. Similarly, the double of this 4 is equals to 8. But whereas here, the double of 5, is it 10? Is it 12? No. That's why in this case also, what is the option? Second option is the right answer. I repeat. First one, last one. Adding first one, adding last one, I am getting middle number. Adding first one, last one, I am getting middle number. So whereas that is not possible. Sorry, it's not adding first and last, it's doubling. First number doing double, I am getting next number. Adding first number, doubling first number, I am getting last number. So 9 doubling this 18, 5 doubling this 10 you have to get, but 12 is there. 6 doubling 12, 4 double of that is 8. So it is not possible in second option. Similarly, observe this 138, 705, right? 138, 705, 237 and 453. See what is the logic involved in this question. Add all these numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 9. 1 plus 3 plus 9, how much I am getting? 13 I am getting. Similarly 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 is equals to how much I am getting? 12. Similarly 2 plus 3 plus 7, again how much I am getting? 12 I am getting. So what about 4 plus 5 plus 3? 4 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to I am getting 12. What does it mean? In remaining 3 options, sum of the digits is same. Sum of the digits is same. Here sum of the digits is 12, here also 12, here also 12. But whereas here in this question, sum of the digits is I am getting only 13 but not 12. Hence the answer for this question also, how much I am getting? First option I am getting. I hope you understood. In previous, see, these they are different patterns. First one is adding first number, last number, getting middle number. But whereas here I am doing double of the first number, getting second remaining numbers. Whereas here sum of the digits are same in second, third, fourth options. It is not possible in first option. So now fourth question. Observe fourth question. 3 plus 4 plus 2. Again doing finding sum of the digits. 3 plus 4 plus 2, I am getting 9. 4 plus 0 plus 2, I am getting 6. Similarly 5 plus 1 plus 2, I am getting 8. Similarly 7 plus 0 plus 9, I am getting how much? 16. See what is the, this is also one kind of model. We are discussing different models here. Keep in mind discussing different patterns, models. So here 16, it is what we can say even number. Adoka sari sankhya. 8, it is also an even number. 6, it is also an even number. But 9, is it even number? No, 9 is not a even number. It is a odd number. That's why sum of the digits is equals to I am getting even. See the compare these two for above question and for this question. In both the case I am doing sum of the digits only. But whereas here sum of the digits are same, this is different. But whereas here sum of the digits are even, but whereas in first question it is odd. Okay, that is a concept involved in this. See, observe this one. 3 1 2 5, 9 3 0 9, 4 7 2 1, 2 8 5 0. There is no what I can say different logic in that. The silly logic in this question is 9 is repeated twice. 9 is repeated twice. In any other option, no digit is repeated. So here 3 1 2 5, is this repeated any number? No. Whereas here 4 7 2 1, there is no repetition. Whereas 2 8 5 0, there is no repetition. But whereas here this is also what I can say 9 is repeated. That's why this is a model of repeated. So like different patterns. So first one is about that, second and third, fourth, fifth. These are the, see, you need not to waste much time on this. Simply logical question. Silly logic is one number is repeated twice, in no other number is not repeated any other number. That's why the answer for this last question is equal to second option. We will discuss some other problems. Okay, just focus on this model. Okay, we will discuss some other models regarding number odd man out. The next question is follows like this. First option is 45, second option is 39, third option is 24, whereas fourth option is 11. Fourth option is 11. Okay, so now in second question, next question, first option is 725, second option is 561, third option is 431, fourth option is 633. Okay, that's 633. Next, in next question, first option is 3 4 1 2, second option 5 6 3 0, third one 2 9 1 8, fourth option 4 6 2 5. Okay, so next question is 44 by 32, first option. Second option is 144 by 132, third option 48 by 58. Next, fourth option 60 by 72. Okay, these are the some questions based on number odd man out part. Okay, we will discuss one by one. See, by saying first question, are you getting any idea? 45, 39, 24, 11. See, it's logical thing. 3 3, this is what? 3 square, right? This is 2, what we can say? 2 square. And this is 1. 1 means what we can say? 1 square, okay? 1 square. 1 square. This is 2 square. This is 3 square. 4 is there. You have to get 4 square. Is it 4 square? No. That's why this is answer. 39 means think that it's 39. Okay. There is a logic. 39 means 3 square. 2 square. 1 square. But whereas here 4 means 4 square you have to get. But it is not like that. That's why first one is the answer. Observe this question. 725, 561, 431, 633. He given like that. The concept involved in this is just find out the 6 is there, 3 is there. Go to fourth option. 6 minus 3 difference, right? 6 minus 3 difference. How much I am getting? 3 I am getting. 4 minus 1. How much I am getting? 3 I am getting. In first question, 7 minus 5. What I am getting? 2 I am getting. But in next question, 5 minus 1 is equals to how much you have to get? 4 you have to get. But how much he given? 6 he given. Hence, the answer for this question is equals to 561. Subtracting first number and last number, getting middle number. So, subtracting first number and last number. The difference of the first number and last number is equal to middle number. So, this is possible in all the cases, but it is not possible in second option. That's why second is the answer. Now focus on this. Numbers are seems to be very big numbers. 4-digit numbers given by what you can say. Don't put much efforts to think about this. It's a silly logic in this question also. Okay. See 34, 12. What is the relation between 34 and 12? It's simply 34 means 3 into 4. 3 into 4 how much? So we are getting 12. Similarly 56, 30. What is the logic here? 5 into 6. 5 into 6 means 30. So I think pakka rasadu. Similarly 29. 2 into 9 is equals to 18. It is possible. Similarly 4 into 6 is equal to 24 you have to get. But how much he given? 25 he given. That's why fourth one is the answer for this question. I hope you understood for this. Okay. There are 4-digit numbers in each and every option. Multiplying first 2 numbers, getting last 2 numbers. But that is not possible in fourth option. Right. Just observe here. 44, 32. 44, 32. What is the difference between 44 and 32? Here the difference. 44 minus 32, difference is equals to 12. Similarly, observe here 144 minus 132. So here are we getting again difference 12? Yes. In this case also difference is 12. So here big number minus small number. 58 minus 48. Difference is how much? 10. So whereas here 72 minus 60. Difference is how much? 12. Hence the answer is equals to third option. Fraction is given. Fraction. Numerator, denominator. Its difference is 12. Its difference is 12. Its difference is 10. Its difference is 12. So hence the difference of numerator and denominator I am getting 12 in all the options, but it is not possible in third option. Hence third is the answer. These are the some models, some different models. See, he will give in different way. You need to think in different point. What you can say, different ways to solve the questions. These are the some models in number analogy part. Now we will discuss about it's not analogy, number odd man out part. Next we will focus on letter odd man out. Now we will focus on letter odd man out. Let us start by discussing by taking first question. First option G, second option I, third option H, fourth option K. Okay. Next question. First option TU, second option RS, third option PR, fourth option KL. Okay. Next. Third question. First option CEG, second option JLN, third option F, H, J, and fourth option M, N, P. Now next question. First option M, N, second option H, I, third option B, Y, fourth option L, O. Here G means how much? 7. I means how much? 9. H means how much? 8. K means how much here? 11. Okay. 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. Simply the concept what we involved in this is 7, 9, 8, 11. So here simply option is third option. Why third option? Remaining 3 are odd numbers, whereas third option is simply even number. ఆ మిగతా 3 కూడా బేసి సంఖ్యలు, కానీ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ మాత్రం సరి సంఖ్యగా తీసుకున్నాడు. సో దట్స్ వై ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాట్ యూ కెన్ సే హెచ్ వీ కెన్ సే. రిమెంబర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్, సారీ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ ఆడ్ నెంబర్, రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్. దట్ ఈస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్. TU. T means 20, U means 21. 20, 21. R means 18, S means 19. 20, 21, 18, 19. K means 11, L means 12, 11, 12. P means 16, whereas R means 18. Hence the answer is equal to third option. I repeat, 20, 21, 18, 19, 11, 12. So whereas here what we can say 16, 18. It is not in order. It is not in order. Remaining all are in orders, but whereas this third option it is not in order. 16, after 16 you have to get 17. After P you have to get Q, but unfortunately R is there. Hence that is the answer. See, observe here. What is the concept involved in this? C means 3, E means 5, G means 7. So 3, C means 3, add plus 2, we are getting 5. For this 5, add plus 2, getting what? 7. For J, add plus 2, getting L. For L, add plus 2, getting 14. Okay, that is the concept. Are we getting here? F means 6, 6 plus 2 means 8, 8 plus 2 means 10. Okay, but what about in this case? M, N, P. 13, he added simply plus 1, and here he added plus 2. So remaining all the cases plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. But whereas here plus 1, plus 2. That's why the answer for this question is equals to fourth option. Observe here. This is very easy. M, N, men. B, Y, boy. L, O, love. So H means S you have to get, but H, I is given. Expressing second half of the alphabets in reverse order. Expressing second half of the alphabets in reverse order. In that way, M, N, men. B, Y, boy. L, O, love. Here HS, Hyderabad, Secunderabad you have to get. Unfortunately I is there. That is the answer. See, observe here. V, T. Difference how much there? Just observe here. Is it increasing or decreasing? So it is increasing, it is increasing, it is increasing, it is decreasing. F, G. F means 6, G means 7. There is one letter gap. P, R, 16, 18, 2 letters gap. 13, 17, 4 letters gap. So the difference between the any two alphabets is not same. That's why it is not the concept of that. See, observe here. I am finding V plus T value. I am finding V plus T value. V means how much? 22. T means how much? 20. 22 plus 20. How much I am getting? 42. Similarly, MQ. M means 13. Q means 17. 13 plus 17. How much I am getting? 30 I am getting. Okay. Similarly, P means 16. R means 18. Yes, R means 18. 16 plus 18, what we can say? 34. And finally 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is equal to how much I am getting? 13. Hence this is the answer, because when I am adding remaining all the numbers I am getting even number. So even number, even number, even number, but whereas there I am getting odd number. That's why fourth one is the answer. Okay, so now some other problems regarding letter odd man out. So in this question, First option is DF. Second option is AC. Third option is MO. Whereas fourth option is VW. Okay. Next question. First option is A. Second option is I. Third option is P. Fourth option is E. Next. In next question, first option is K. Second option is L. Third option is N. Whereas fourth option is P. Okay. And next one, in next question, first option is BAC. Second option POT. Third option MRP. Fourth option CAR. Okay. Now the next question. In next question, first option is ACCA. Second option RAAR. Third option MNNM. Fourth option PRPR. Okay. So now we'll focus on these questions. See, observe first question. DF, first option. Second option AC. Third option MO. Fourth option VW. What you observed, D means 4, F means 6. Difference how much there? Plus 2 is there. A means 1, C means 3. Difference how much there? Plus 2 is there. M means 13, O means 15. Difference how much there? Plus 2 is there. So V means 22, W means 21. Difference how much there? Only 1 is there. Therefore, the concept, what is the concept here? In remaining options, the difference is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. But whereas in fourth question, the difference is only 1. That is the logic involved in that. This is no explanation for this question. Directly answer is equals to P. Why answer is equal to P? Because remaining all are A, I, E. What are you getting? Are you getting any thought? Yes. A, I, E means oval numbers. So, but whereas P is not a oval number. It is consonant. That's why the answer for that is equals to third option. Now observe here K. K means just numbering 11. L means 12. N means 14. P means 16. That's why answer is equals to what you can say? 11 you can say. Why the answer is equal to 11? Because remaining 3 are even numbers, but whereas 11 is odd number. That's why the answer is equals to what you can say? 11 we can say. Next, BAC, POT. Here meaning is not required. What is BAC? What is POT? So irrespective of meaning is not required. BAC, POT, MRP, and the next one is CAR. It is very clear. Just in all the words, observe middle letter. What is the middle letter here? A. What is the middle letter here? O. What is the middle letter here? R. What is the middle letter here? A. So the silly logical thing is, in remaining all the options, middle letter is oval. A is oval, O is oval, A is also oval. But whereas R given, so consonant given. Simple logic. There is no numbering or nothing. There is no numbering or nothing. First letter, last letter. Irrespective of first and last letters, first middle letter is, I am getting oval in all the options. Oval, oval, consonant, oval. That's why answer is equals to 3. So what I mean to say with this example is, questions you should think in this point of view also. That is what I mean to, the main purpose of this example is, sometimes you must think to solve the question in silly way also, silly thing also. Even number, odd number, composite number, prime number, or even consonants, ovals. Okay, sum of the roots is even or odd, prime, like that. You need to think in different way. Okay, see, observe this question. Last question also, I hope you already understood the logic, the logic involved in this. AC means CA. RA means the reverse of that is AR. MN, the reverse of that is NM. But PR, again it has taken PR. That's why the answer for this question is equals to what we can say? Fourth option we can say. There are 4 letters in every word. First 2 and last 2 are simply reciprocals to each other. So AC, CA, RA, AR, MN, NM, PR, again PR is given. That's why answer is equal to fourth option. We will take some other models. Now let us take some other models regarding letter odd man out. First option. The first option what is given is TOM. Second option is EAT. Third option is MAN. Fourth option is KID. In next question, first option is KLN. Second option is LMN. Third option is RSU. Fourth option is MNP. Next question. First option is TSR. Second option is ONM. Third option is ABC. Fourth option is XYZ. Next question. B-4. Second option H-64. Third option I-81. Fourth option C-27. C-27. Fourth option is NLB. Okay, just focus on this. These are the some problems from letter odd man out part. See here also you need not to waste the time. The answer for this question is equal to simply 2. Why the answer 2 is 2 means here this is consonant, starting with consonant, starting with consonant, starting with vowel. That's why the answer is equals to second option. In remaining 4 options, it is starting with consonant. It is starting with consonant. It is starting with consonant. But whereas second option is starting with vowel. Okay, that type of model also there in odd man out. That is what I mean to say with that example. Next, KLN. K means 11, 11, 12, 13. Sorry, 11, 12, 14 means 11, 12 means plus 1. 12, 14 means plus 2. Plus 1, plus 2. And 12, 13 means plus 1. 13, 14 means plus 1. RS. 18, 19 means plus 1. 19, 21 means plus 2. N means plus 1. N 16 means plus 2. So it's very clear. Plus 1, plus 2. Plus 1, plus 2 in all the cases except in second option. That's why answer is equal to second option. See, this is also simple logic. The logic here 20, 19, 18, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, here minus 1, minus 1. Here plus 1, plus 1. So here plus 1, plus 1. Okay, here plus 1, plus 1. So TSR, ONM, ABC, XYZ. So there is a change in this question. The change in, just change this question. It's not ABC. Write down CAB. Okay, it's question mistake only. Don't take ABC. Simply take CAB. Okay. Now what we can say? CAB means it's not CAB. Sorry, CBC, CBA. So again here minus 1, minus 1. So remaining all the cases minus 1, minus 1. Whereas in fourth case it is plus 1, plus 1. That's why answer is equal to 4. Just change in this. Okay, it's not ABC. It's a CBA. Minus 1, minus 1. Finally plus 1, plus 1. Hence answer is equal to fourth option. See, B means 2. 2 means 2 square. H means 8. 8 means 8 square. I means 9. 9 means 9 square. C means 3. 3 means 3 square you have to get, but it is 3 cube. That's why answer is equal to fourth option. Okay, like that. This is ABC. See, the difference of these two. The difference of these two is third letter. The difference of these two is third letter. Are you getting third letter here? P means 16, L means 12. 16 minus 12, 4 you have to get, but 5 is there. Let us see. 7 minus 6, 1. Similarly, 14 minus 12, 2. So in every case it is possible except in second case. I repeat, there are 3 letters in each and every option. The difference of first 2 letters is equal third letter. The difference of first 2 is third. The difference of first 2 is third. It is not possible in second option. Hence answer is equal to second option. Like this, these are the some different models in letter odd man out. Now we will focus on word odd man out. Okay, now I have taken some questions regarding word odd man out. Word odd man out. Okay, we will see one by one. See, first option, he given inch. Second one is ounce, OUNCE. Third one, he given centimeters. Fourth one, he given yard. Okay, I repeat, inch, ounce, centimeters and yard he mentioned. So obviously, what is your answer? Answer is equals to ounce. Why this is answer? Inch is measure of length. Similarly, centimeter also we can measure length. Yard is also we can measure length. So with the remaining 3 options we can measure length, but whereas with ounce we can measure weight, not length. That's why the answer for that question is equal to second option. I repeat, first option, third option, fourth option. With these 3 options we can find length, but whereas with second option we can find out what we can say, weight. It is about weight, unit of weight, not length of weight. That's why answer is equal to first one. So here, tire, steering wheel, engine and car. It's very clear, answer is equal to car. Why answer is equal to car? Remaining 3 options are part of car. Wheel, steering, tire is part in that, part in car. Steering wheel is part in car. Engine is also part in car. That's why, so this is different. Remaining 3 are parts of car. Now observe here, guitar, flute, violin, cello. I repeat, guitar, flute, violin, cello. It's very clear. What is your answer? Flute. Because with the remaining are stringent instruments. Teega vaidyalu antam kada. So stringent instruments. So string is required, string is required, string is required. Whereas here, so it's not stringent, what I can say, instrument. That's why answer is equal to second option. Now branch, dirt, leaf, root. Answer is equals to, clearly what we can say, dirt. Why it is answer is to branch, leaf and root. Branch, leaf and root. These 3 are the part of tree, but whereas dirt is, it is not part of tree. Branch annam, komma annam, leaf annam, aaku annam, root annam, veru annam. Dirt in the sense it's a dust particles, dust annam. So ee dummu anedi dantlo bhagam kaadu. That's why the answer for this question is equal to second option. Remaining 3 are part of tree, whereas dirt is, it is not part of tree. Here observe here, heading, body, letter and closing. The answer is equals to what you can say, third option, letter. See, this question and this car question. These 3 are part of car, whereas these 3 are part of letter. Heading is part of letter, body is part of letter, closing is part of letter, but letter is unique, letter is different. Remaining are part of letters. That's why that is different. See, observe here, book, index, glossary, sorry, that one, and chapter. So here what we can answer, book we can say, because remaining 3 options are what we can say, part of book. That's why the answer is equal to first option. These are the some questions regarding what you can say, word odd man out. We will discuss some other questions regarding this. Now some other what you can say, models regarding word odd man out. See, let us see first one, acute, right, obtuse, parallel. So if you observe here, these all are related to angles, right? Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, parallel annam, parallel. So if you observe here, it is very clear, the option is fourth option. Why fourth option? Remaining 3 are part of angles. Right angle, kind of angle, acute angle, so less than 90, that is different. obtuse angle, it is also angle. That's why these three are related to angles, whereas parallel means it is not related to angle. That's why answer is equals to fourth option. See, observe here, triangle, circle, oval, sphere. It is very clear. The answer is equals to triangle. Why triangle? Circle, we know circular shape. Oval, it is also kind of circular shape. Sphere, we know already circular shape. So whereas these are not having any sides, whereas triangle is having sides. Okay, అవి వృత్తాల రూపంలో ఉంటాయి. ఇవి మాత్రం త్రిభుజం అనగానే భుజాలను కలిగి ఉంటుంది. సో కాబట్టి ఆ 3 సర్టెన్ ప్యాటర్న్లో ఉన్నాయి. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇన్ దట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ 2D picture, 3D picture of circle, but this is only having sides, not curve. Now observe here, biology, chemistry, zoology and theology. I repeat, biology, chemistry, zoology and theology. So what we can say? The answer is equals to obviously this one, last one, because biology, chemistry, zoology, these three are part of science, whereas third one is theology, means it is study of religion. It is something purely different apart from these three. But I repeat, biology, chemistry, zoology are part of science. That is not in the part of science. Similarly, Mars, Pluto, Sun, Mercury. It is very simple. No explanation is required. Answer is what here? Sun. It is a star, whereas remaining are planets. Okay, this is only star. It is not a planet. Like that. Chess, hockey, cricket, volleyball. It is also what you can say? Chess. Why? Hockey, cricket, volleyball. These three are outdoor games, whereas chess is what you can say? Indoor game. Now final one, iron, sodium, potassium, chlorine. It is also very clear. Answer is what here? Chlorine. Why chlorine? Remaining three are metals, whereas that is gas. It is not a metal. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మెటల్ సంబంధించినవి. కానీ లోహాలు, ఐరన్, సోడియం, పొటాషియం, దీస్ ఆర్ మెటల్స్, లోహాలు అన్నాం. whereas chlorine, it is not a metal, it is gas. అదొక వాయువు, లోహం కాదు. So these are the some problems what we discussed in odd man out. See, only one thing, I told you some silly questions, because my intention is questions may be in that way also. If you will have a good idea about letter series, number series and all, then analogy and all, then letter odd man out and word odd man out and number odd man out, it is not a difficult. Okay, you need to think in different way by keeping what you can say basic concepts in mind. I hope you understood about these three types of odd man out. Thank you.